Hi, I'm Dr. Lydia Green. Through my work as a wildlife ecologist, I've spent years studying lemurs, a particularly diverse group of primates on the island of Madagascar. Madagascar is an island like no other. It's the fourth largest island on Earth and has a wide range of habitats, from dense tropical rainforests to dry, spiny deserts. And these habitats are home to thousands of species naturally found nowhere else on Earth, including all the lemurs. Because these species are linked in complex ecological webs, the loss of a single species can disrupt an entire ecosystem. And unfortunately, Madagascar's habitats are under increasing threat as human activity alters its landscapes. In order to protect these one-of-a-kind ecosystems, we need to carefully monitor the populations within them. But sometimes that's easier said than done. Let me show you what I mean. The furry-eared dwarf lemur, or Chirogelius crossley, is a familiar presence in the rainforest where our research group sets up camp. Like other dwarf lemurs, it's small, about the size of a squirrel, and it has a long tail and stores fat for periods of hibernation. And its coat is a reddish-brown color that fades to white on the belly. But lately, we've noticed some lemurs at our site that don't quite fit this furry-eared dwarf lemur mold. They're even smaller with shorter tails, and their fur is silvery gray instead of red-brown. Now, variation is normal when we're talking about any population of animals. Just like humans come in different heights and have different hair colors, lemurs of the same species may differ in their size or coloration. But these misfit lemurs stood out to us because they strongly resemble a species that hasn't been seen in over a century, and was even thought to be extinct: Sebrie's dwarf lemur, or Chirogelius sebrii. Today, you'll join us at our research camp and help us determine the true identities of these lemurs. First, we'll look at their physical features to see if we can group the lemurs into one or two species by their appearance alone. Then we'll peer into their DNA to see if their genetic information tells the same story. By the end of this lab, you'll combine fieldwork and lab analysis to determine whether an extinct species was really just hiding in plain sight all along. Let's get started.